Hey, did you know you can create professional looking photos directly inside of ChatGPT? Let me show you how in less than a minute. So as you can see, I've already opened my ChatGPT account, and it's a free account actually. And now I'm going to give it exactly what I want. I just want to give it exactly how I want my professional looking photo looking like. So I had already created my prompt, and basically I just want to give it details about the subject, the kind of environment I want in that photo, the lighting, the camera style, the mood, and the image format. So I'm going to paste it here. So create a photorealistic portrait of a confident African tech entrepreneur working at a modern desk. You can see that's the environment, warm cinematic lighting, the type of lighting, and what environment in a premium office, natural skin texture, and shallow depth field, professional photography. And I've been very specific that I want it to be a vertical 9 to 16 composition. So let's see what it's going to give us. So as that is loading, I've already sent the prompt. We can see that ChatGPT has understood the kind of photo that I want. So let's just give it a few seconds to see what it's going to come up with. And guys, just know that however you want your photo to look like, these AI tools are just like a car. You're the one to give it instructions on what exactly you want. And the best thing about it is that even when you do not like the output that it has given you, even on the free plan, you can actually go in and ask it to make some edits. The key here, as you are using this tool to generate your photos or your videos, is actually to be as detailed as possible. So voila, here we have it. We have this man. I didn't tell them to, I didn't give it an instruction that he should be wearing spectacles, but I love what I'm seeing. So let's say I do not love the lighting, like maybe it's too dull for me. I can go in and just say make the lighting brighter, or maybe change the background, and make the image more cinematic. And let's say maybe I have another image, but this here can work for us since this is just a tutorial. So these are the changes that I'd like ChatGPT to make on the photo that it has already created for me. So let's see how it's going to execute this prompt, this revision request. So you can see it was very quick. The key here is to be as detailed as possible, especially if you're using ChatGPT on the free plan, because you actually get a limit on the number of images you can create in a day. So even as that is loading, for YouTube Shorts, Reels, or TikTok, always ask for a vertical ratio of 9:16. And for YouTube thumbnails, you can request a landscape format. And when you are happy with the result, like I am with mine, just look at this guy. Doesn't he look like a tech guy, an entrepreneur, giving rich vibes? You know, a young man who's successful in tech and ready to teach you what he knows. So just remember that the secret is simple. Describe what you want, add useful details, generate, then refine if you're not happy with the first results. And if you want more practical ChatGPT tutorials like this, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and like. And remember, here we do not gatekeep. See you in the next one.